Let's cover how to do the best morning stretches for beginners. This video is designed to do as a routine thing each morning until you include it as part of your new lifestyle habit. This first video, you're going to stretch and strengthen your lower back muscles. You're going to need something that you can put your hand on so you can find something around in your room and just follow along. Now you're going to get on all fours and do the cat-cow pose or stretch. In this maneuver, you're going to be stretching your mid-back, your thoracic spine. This exercise right here is going to help maintain an erect posture through the entire day, so you don't end up like this as you age. This exercise could be done sitting on a chair or some type of platform, and you're going to stretch forward and really take all the slack and tension out of the upper back and especially the lower back. And since we're stretching out the lower back and part of the hips, let's do a full hip stretch using this method right here. This next stretch is called puppy pose on the wall. And this is one of my favorite stretches because you're not just stretching all the front part of the body, but also the shoulders as well. This next one kind of piggybacks on the last one. It's called half down dog, which is the version of downward facing dog in yoga. And you're going to like this one too. It's going to take a lot of tension out of the upper back and shoulders. Now we're going to reverse the flow to do an extension exercise. And this exercise is going to stretch the front part of your body in the lower part of the hips, like the thigh muscles, which are the flexors, and the deep flexor, which is the psoas. This is another favorite one that I love. Let's get into it. Now let's go back to the hip and do what's called a figure 4 stretch. This next stretch is called a standing quad stretch. And the reason I included this one is mainly for your posture. So many people have tight flexor muscles. So this is going to reverse it and make sure that you have enough space in your lower pelvis. It's going to also help your walking as well. The last stretch, and this is my favorite one, is now we're going to actually do a twisting action in your lower back. A lot of people neglect the rotational aspect of the lower back. And for many, this is the antidote to low back pain. Find a place on the floor and let's dive right in. Now, before you click away, do this one thing right now. I put something together called my personal daily routine, the one that actually makes me feel like I'm 18 years old, despite being 60 years old. And I put this all in one printable page. It's a checklist, and it's 100% free, and you can click it in the download in the description, print it out, put it on your refrigerator, and follow it every single day. And the last thing I want to mention is I have another awesome video on posture with different exercises. And if you haven't seen this one, you got to check it out. I put it up right here. Click it, watch it.